Welcome! This is the first episode in the series How to make an obby game in Roblox. Today I'm going to show you how to make killbricks. Now that the intro's out of the way, let's get started. First of all, add a part. To insert it, press this button over here. Once we have our part, we need to add a script. To do that, click the little plus icon next to the part's name in the workspace. Then choose script from the list. Alright, now let's get to the scripting. But before we start, we need to understand how it works. Look here, in the Explorer, you can see that the script is placed under the part. That means the part is the parent of the script, so if we want to refer to the part from inside the script, we write script.Parent. To check if the part was touched, we can use a built-in function, so no worries. The word inside the brackets called the argument because the thing that touched our part. Now, we need to check if that thing is part of player's character. To check that, we need to look for something that player characters always have, and that's a humanoid. While some NPCs might have it too, a real player's character will always include a humanoid, so it's a reliable way to tell if we touched a player. For example, let's say the player's foot touched the part. That foot becomes the argument called hit. And now, we have to just check if hit.Parent has a humanoid inside, and if it does, we know it's a player. We'll use two things. First, the FindFirstChild function. It looks for a part inside something, and if it finds it, great! If not, it returns nil, which basically means nothing. Second, we'll use an if statement. That lets us run some code only if a certain condition is true. In this case, we'll check if the humanoid was found, meaning it's not nil. If it exists, we'll know we've touched a player and we can move on with the script. Now, the only part left is putting the humanoid's health to 0 and done! Now let's see if the part works. Here let's just step on it and... yes, it works! So, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please leave a like, it really helps a lot. See you next time, bye!